Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix issues, you should just go to Settings. Here on this page, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then in this list, you'll click on Netflix. Then you'll enter to First Stop. Here we'll enter to Storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.